Hello Cosmonauts, and welcome to a new tutorial on Aryel, your ultimate web AR drag and drop tool. In this video, you will learn how to use variables inside of Aryel's campaigns. First of all, to create a new variable, click on the variable settings in your builder. Every campaign can have as many variables as you want. For each variable, set a name within the curly brackets. Pick the type of variable that you want, whether textual, numerical, or Boolean, and finally set a default value. Variables can also become query parameters so that you can edit them from the URL of the experience itself. Find out more about this on help.aryel.io. There are three ways that you can play with variables from within the experience. Number one, you can add them to your text elements. Simply type the name of the variable within curly brackets. This can be used to personalize your AR experiences, show scores in minigames, and much more. Secondly, each interaction can set, edit, or reset any given variable. You can either add or replace text, perform operations on numbers, and toggle between true and false Boolean variables. And third, each interaction can be subject to specific conditions so that it only activates when those conditions are met. Now, you might be wondering what you can actually do with these variables. So let's see a couple of practical examples from our templates. First up is the quiz. This is a knowledge quiz that will tell our users how much they know about a specific topic. As you can see, I am using only one variable. It's a number and it's called score, and its starting value is 0. The quiz consists of 5 questions. Each question has one right and one wrong answer that users select by tilting their head left or right. The interaction related to the correct answer will add 1 to the variable score before showing people the next scene, while the wrong answer will simply send the user to the next question without modifying the variable. After answering all of the questions, the variable score will be 5 if the user answers every question correctly. It will be 0 if the user only gave incorrect answers, and so on. At the end of the quiz, users can be directed to one of 3 different scenes depending on their score. To achieve this, each option has interactions associated with a specific score range. The interaction that sends the user to the first scene is triggered if the score is less than or equal to 2. The second scene is for users with a score less than 4 and greater than 1. And the third scene is exclusively for those who scored greater than 3. Lastly, in each scene, users will be able to view their actual score because the variable is embedded in the text element just like that. And to preview what this scene looks like, you can simply click on the Edit Frame option at the top middle here, and that will open up and show you exactly how that scene looks, and you can customize this even further. Another example that I'd like to show you is a quiz that determines the best ice cream flavor for you. Now, we can find this inside of our templates. Then underneath the Browse by category, we're going to go to See All, and then we're going to click on Quizzes and Surveys. And in this case, we're going to go with the ice cream flavors quiz right here on the first option and use this template. Alright, once this campaign loads up, this quiz here asks 3 questions and it has 8 potential outcomes. So in this case, we can see here that we have 3 distinct Boolean variables. Question 1, question 2, and question 3. Let's go ahead and close out of this here. And when a user is answering a question, they are behind the scenes selecting true or false. And depending on their answer, we will direct them to a specific scene using conditions. So the very last question that we have here inside of our quiz, let's go ahead and open this up here, and then we're going to go to interactions. And as I scroll down a little bit here, you'll see the 8 different potential outcomes that we have depending on the answers of the 3 first questions. So for example, if I open up salted pistachio, we open that up here, and we can see, if I scroll down just a little bit, if they answer true, false, and then false, they will be redirected to this scene. We go down a little bit further, let's open up strawberry, and we scroll down through strawberry. We can see if they answer false, false, and then true, they will be redirected to strawberry. So this here is an easy to use template that you can use for your product's recommendations and surveys. And that's it. You now know how to use variables inside of your AR campaigns. For more information and updates, visit academy.aryel.io or help.aryel.io. See you soon, cosmonauts.